talk about Bitcoin. I do have a nice my recurrent monthly that I'm always sharing with you. Let's do a quick look at it.
Oh, so it's got past that resistance.
Yeah, indeed, and on the monthly for BTC, this chart does not showing very explicitly, but it's for me. We're going near. I believe we're going near turning 13K, and also I have another chart I will show you that we can hit 13.5K on the monthly.
Okay, that's
initially initially I thought it was this month, but I'm not too sure if it will go. But it's still bullish. I will share it with you.
It looked like it started picking up speed a few hours ago.
Yeah, exactly. So
it might, that's why it's still possible.
Yeah, I'm thinking that maybe it's not over this rally. So let me share with you my the other one. So that's my weekly. We're at kind of resistance right now. But I mean, next week there's good chance that we'll go pass over the resistance. So we could go like 12K, 12.4. But yeah, this one is not really in favor of shooting up to 13.5. But if we go, it will be like on this, like in this area. So it may overshoot here and then just go back and retrace back to 13.5.
Okay.
And to me, it's still here. Certainly, we're at resistance, but if we're able to to break out here, perhaps next week, then there's the probability that we'll test 12 and 13K. I mean, they are more in favor. They are more probable. So
yeah, we need a 1K candle, eh?
Perhaps a big 1K candle, yeah. But yeah, it seems that we're consolidating here a bit, and then maybe a big candle to 13.5K, and then retracement back, maybe 1K.
But I tell you now, if we start spiking, we might see a 2K candle because people are super excited at the moment.
Yeah. True. Yeah, exactly. I mean, momentum, like with the momentum, people can just pile in and we can go there like super fast and correct also super fast as well. So that's the one I'm been following also on the monthly.
Oh, this is a nice one. I haven't seen this one before.
Yeah, well, it's kind of new. I think I published this one on Twitter recently.
Okay, so maybe I just haven't paid attention because I was busy this week. But yeah, this is nice.
So this is just the Trinity tool that I'm using. And here we can clearly see the nice arc and the price just following that circle edge. So it seems to me that we can certainly do a move and try to challenge the previous high, but I think here we're gonna hit massive selling. So that's kind of my target on the monthly for the near like this month and perhaps September. We'll see, but I think August is still bullish for the continuation of this rally.
So you think we will not spike to 18 perhaps?
This month or?
No, in the next month or two, you know.
Yeah, well, maybe
circle toppies, you know.
Yeah, so I mean, if we go there and then we're correct and maybe at 12.5K, we get some support and we go back. 16K will be perhaps the next destination.
Okay.
And then maybe all bet will be off around that area. So I think what important will be to beat 17, the 20. Yeah, that's a major monthly resistance, and then we'll be retesting all-time high. But I don't have a precise time right now. I should maybe for our next call, maybe I could try to chart something more in the future with BTC if I get a nice scenario to go above the all-time highs.
I like this chart though. I think it's very realistic in terms of the 13K. So, yeah. I'm bullish, but I'm realistic. I'm trying to see what's possible, not what is a fairy tale.
Exactly. That's why I always go one leg at a time, and I just rebalance my position based on the current market conditions. So there's a limit on where you can project, and you can think where thing will go. Otherwise, just wishful thinking. If you've been like
well, I ended up in your trading group because somebody told me 2 years ago Ripple will be $10, before Christmas. But that Christmas it dumped to a few cents. So, yeah, so it's...
Oh, okay. Well, it is not me for sure that told you that.
So I learned the hard way just from the beginning that these very fairy tale targets just doesn't happen.
Yeah, well, XRP hitting $10, I will be very surprised. I mean, I think they print XRPs at will, so I don't know if it makes sense or not, but
yeah, no, I think there's a lot of people bullish on it because of that one time spike, but it's not to say it will ever happen again.
Yeah, and this is a new. Just a few words. This is a new pattern I'm working on. This is based on the Penrose tile or the Penrose. The Penrose tile. So I just take in fact, you're seeing two pentagon, if you like. One, they have been inverted to each other in the reverse position, and I like it. I like it a lot so far. I have other derivative of this pattern that I'm working on, and I will create into stencils and perhaps publish a new post on Twitter using this.
But I like this one. This is quite nice. I think it. I mean, if you just look at this monthly chart, it follows it perfectly.
Yeah, when I saw the confluence initially, I was very surprised, and here you can see we hit resistance here, then we just follow the circle and the trend with the line here, and then we continue going down, and then we jump back. And here, I believe if this legit and this will continue, we should hit and land towards 13.5K. So that's why that's one of the reasons why I put my target there, and also the Trinity here supporting this as well. This move.
This upward move, yes. Yeah, no, that's perfect. Yeah, no, I think we can go with your target, eh? Placing my bets tonight.
Yeah, but always use stop loss and stuff. So don't go all in, and don't
all
go
in,
to sleep.
all in.
Yeah.